So I figured really quick before I go into my personal project, I'd go through the actual scene file and show what it does. Just it's basically just a ton of accessors and ways to easily get things through. And while I'm actually doing this, I should probably pull up the game object class, the base class, just to show there's even more method or there's more methods in there for showing or for easy access for the user. Um, so obviously the set collisions are in here, and that just calls the set collision in the collidable manager. Um, and then the bake new nav map, that's for my personal project, where it just bakes a new nav map, get the nav map, gets the nav map, show nav map, shows the nav map, hide nav map, hides the nav map. I'm going to skip over the ones that I've seen, or the ones that I've shown from before. So the terrain manager, that's the in-scene terrain manager. Um, all of these managers are actually in-scene managers, so we can tell by not using singleton form. Process the list. Draw. Draw is in the .cpp, so I'll show that really quick just to show the render all. The render all. Draw is just draw manager, process list, visualizer, render all. And then of course we see the scene end method here too, where we delete all the regular things, and then cancel render, clear scene statics from the nav map manager, which we'll see in a second. So register, deregister commands, and then we get all the local managers for the terrain, drawable, alarmable, inputable, register broker, collidable manager. And then I have a bool for ending the scene, so it actually ends it on the next frame just to avoid errors. Because when I had it ending, well, actually it doesn't end it on the next frame, it ends it at the end of the frame, because when I had it ending in the middle of the frame, it crashed the whole thing because it would try to keep going through the input manager, and that is a problem for obvious reasons. So we see that bool being used here to end the scene. So what else should I show here? Oh yeah. So I think this might just be a video used just to show all the easy access things I've put in. So this is for creating a texture-like graphics object. It just shortens it down a little bit since they don't have to access the model manager and all that kind of thing, and all those kind of things. I'll show that really quick. Right here, model manager, shader manager. So instead of this long line, it's a much shorter line where they just need to type in the name, put in the vects. Get terrain just returns the terrain, the current scene's terrain. Get navigation map returns the current. So I mean, you can see that these are longer calls that all they need to do now in the game object is just type, get navigation map, get current 3D cam, get current 2D cam, and they can, especially for get the cams. I mean, look at those function calls. So yeah, it just makes life a lot easier for them. I know I have a few in the draw manager. I believe, no, not the draw manager. Sorry, in the actual drawable class. Or not. Okay. I thought I had at least one in here. No, I apparently did not. Oh well. Well, that was a waste. Anyway, but there's my drawable class, my drawable manager class. Sorry. So I will go into my oh wait, no, I definitely had a bunch in the collidable class. I have a few for getting getting certain things. For getting the collision volume, getting default B sphere, and the shows are nice for the user, as well as definitely the um, in we'll go in the actual scene. These were super helpful when I put them in. Um, so that's I mean, it cuts down on the time. Instead of putting things on every single one of them, I just say, hey, this whole collision test, yeah, make that showable, and it shows the whole thing. Super helpful. Uh, so yeah, um, now that I've shown these, I will I think close this video out and then go and set up my personal project video. So cool. Thank you.